Good morning, students. Today we are going to do short question answers of chapter 3 digestive system. So let's start, which is what is the role of acid secreted from the stomach walls? You know that the walls of stomach release acid and that acid has specific function to perform in our body. So in the answer we are going to elaborate that work of acid. And the first point is it helps in the digestion of food. Stomach is the first organ where the chewed food goes. So it is the second step of digestion. Stomach has various digestive juices as well as enzymes which helps in the digestion of some components of food. And it kills the germs swallowed with the food. There are germs all around in the air. So whenever you open your mouth to put the bite of food inside your mouth, so these germs and bacteria also enter your mouth. So these need to be killed. So it is the work of acid which is present inside the stomach to kill those germs. Question 2 is what could happen if we do not chew our food properly? You know that mouth and stomach are connected by a long tube-like organ known as food pipe. Esophagus is the another name of food pipe. So if you do not chew the food properly, you can see that that pipe is so narrow that food can stuck in the food pipe. So let's start the answer. If we do not chew the food properly, it will get stuck in our food pipe. So you may have choking or hiccups. We will not be able to swallow it because the bite of food is quite large and it get stuck in the food pipe. Next is our digestive system won't be able to break it down. Chewing is very important step of digestion. It is the first step of digestion. When the food is chewed, it gets broken down into very fine food particles. So our digestive system need not to work hard to digest that food. So it is very important to chew the food properly. Ahead. Question 3 is why is it important to cook food? Cooking of food is very important because we cannot eat raw food or uncooked food for lifetime. So answer is it is important to cook food to make it tasty, soft and easy to swallow. Various spices, water is added while cooking in the food. So it also adds taste to the food. It softens the food. Soft food is easy to chew and it is also easy to swallow. Next point is cooked food is easy to digest as it can be chewed easily because the food is now soft. So it is very easy for our mouth to chew it and it is easy to digest. Cooking also kills the germs present in the food. In order to cook food, we need to heat the food and heating kills the germs because germs cannot survive at the high temperature. So it is very important to cook food before eating. How are liver and pancreas important? Liver and pancreas both are glands. Glands are those organs whose function is to release a particular kind of liquid and that liquid also have some specific work in our body. So liver is the largest gland of our body and it releases bile. Pancreas is another gland of our body and they both release their secretions, their liquids into the small intestine. So liver and pancreas they both help in digestion. How? Liver secrete bile and bile digest fats. So fats get digested because of bile which is released by liver into the small intestine. Moreover, pancreas produce some specific kind of enzymes. Enzymes are chemicals. They are chemicals which are produced naturally in the body and they also help in the digestion. They break down the food. Breaking down of food release nutrients, and nutrients are then used by our body. For the questions of chapter 3, you will have to write and learn the question and revise them thoroughly. Thank you.